feel like having a delicious snow fungus and lotus seed sweet soup, which is very tasty whether eaten hot or chilled.
Snow fungus is rich in natural collagen, which helps to moisturize the skin and promote a radiant complexion. Lotus seeds, on the other hand, calm the mind and improve overall vitality from within. This sweet soup is a delicious and natural beauty treatment for your skin. Ingredients are just snow fungus, red dates, and lotus seeds. Wash clean red dates, remove seeds, and cut into small pieces. I suggest you can buy pitted red dates, which is more convenient. After the prepared red dates are added to the pot and their flavor has been cooked out, you can then pour the lotus seeds from the package and give them a wash. The lotus seeds I bought are already deseeded, which is very convenient. The lotus seed core contains several alkaloids that have a very bitter taste. If not removed, it will severely ruin the taste of the sweet soup. After the snow fungus has softened, wash it clean, and then cut off the yellow, hard part at the base. The hard part of the snow fungus is its root base, which has a rough and woody texture. It's very tough and difficult to soften even after prolonged soaking and cooking. If not removed, it will severely affect the dessert's texture, making it feel like chewing wood chips. Cut the snow fungus into small pieces according to your preference. Add the prepared snow fungus to the pot and pressure cook for about 30 minutes until it releases its gelatinous texture. When snow fungus is cooked until it releases its gelatinous texture, it becomes soft, smooth, and more delicious. This natural gelatin is rich in collagen, which is very beneficial for the skin. Moreover, the gelatinous form allows the nutrients to be more easily absorbed by the body. Generally, snow fungus that is more yellow in color, with a tight shape and thick flesh, tends to remain crisp after soaking and cooking. In contrast, the variety that is pale yellow or whitish, with a loose shape and thinner petals, more easily becomes soft and gelatinous. You can choose the different variety based on the texture you prefer. As for seasoning, I like to put in rock sugar, and adjust the amount according to your preferred sweetness. Its flavor is a mild, pure sweetness with a subtle, unique honey-like fragrance. It makes the sweet soup taste refreshing and not cloying, offering more depth than regular white sugar. Therefore, the sweet soup cooked with rock sugar has a more natural and harmonious taste, making it exceptionally delicious. Rock sugar is a natural sugar made by crystallizing sugarcane juice. It is less sweet and cloying than regular white sugar, with a purer and more delicate sweetness. It is commonly used in desserts and sweet soups to create a clearer, more refined flavor. Snow fungus is rich in natural plant collagen, which effectively hydrates the skin and improves its elasticity. Lotus seeds have properties that nourish the heart and calm the mind, helping to alleviate anxiety and improve sleep quality. Both lotus seeds and red dates help to strengthen the spleen and stomach, aiding in digestion. Red dates are renowned for boosting blood circulation, improving complexion, and increasing energy. Snow fungus helps to clear body heat and moisturize the lungs, making it particularly beneficial for relieving dryness-related coughs and discomfort. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.